Hey everybody. Set for Life is a book for people who desire financial freedom earlier than the typical 65 years of age and want to learn the steps to get there. The book consists of 3 parts. Part 1, building the first $25,000. Part 2, accumulating from $25,000 to $100,000. Part 3, accumulating beyond $100,000 to your financial freedom number. Part 1. Start by focusing on saving enough money to accrue $25,000. This money will allow you to be flexible in making important decisions that will impact your future in the next stage. Saving $25,000 will require you to have a savings goal of 50% or more of your income. This will involve tackling the big expenses in your life, which is housing, transportation, and food costs, such as live in a moderately priced place that is close to work to save on housing and transportation costs. Learn how to do things yourself, such as making coffee and cooking most meals at home, mowing your lawn, or fixing a toilet issue. Have a goal of lowering spending to as close to $2,000 per month if possible. What to do with your money as you save it? Build an emergency fund of $1,000 to $2,000 or pay off bad debt. If you earn a median salary and can save $1,500 per month after tax, then you should have between $10,000 to $25,000 within a year. Part 2. Accumulating between $25,000 to $100,000 could take you between 3 to 10 years. You can continue to build your savings by purchasing a multifamily home like a duplex and living on one side called house hacking, where the other person's rent essentially covers your own, and/or you can also potentially switch to a commission-based job where there's no income ceiling on what you can earn, and/or you can develop skills that are in demand. These initial hobbies could become your side hustles and grow into multiple streams of income. What's important during this time is to be involved with like-minded individuals to help you continue on your path. Even if your friends and family are not into this mindset, you can join an online community that can help foster this belief system and share information, such as the Bigger Pockets Forum. Also, you can read nonfiction books to continue to educate yourself daily. Part 3. Once you accrue $100,000, then the next goal is to work towards your financial freedom number using the following formula. Your assets times your returns has to be greater than your expenses. Assets include equities such as stocks, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, and bonds. And any income-generating businesses like online businesses, eBay, Etsy, Amazon sellers, Shopify websites, YouTube. By now, if your monthly expenses average between $2,000 to $3,000 per month or $25,000 to $36,000 per year, if you want to withdraw 5% annually, then you will need to accumulate between $500,000 to $720,000 to leave your job. Meaning you could have a net worth of $500,000 if you save 60% or more on the average American salary. Here are some examples of where individuals have built wealth and achieved early financial freedom. This is all dependent on the level of the individual's knowledge and risk tolerance. Make sure you track your net worth through spreadsheets, Mint, or Personal Capita. Net worth is simply the number of assets one owns versus the debt one owes. Track both types of net worth, commonly calculated net worth and real net worth. The differences between the two. The commonly calculated net worth for assets will include your home equity, the Kelley Blue Book value of your car, and your 401k retirement savings. Whereas your real net worth will only include assets of cash, rental income, real estate appreciation, principal reduction, stock appreciation, and stock dividends. Track your spending to diagnose trends that could significantly impact your financial position regularly. Track your time. Determine what you will do daily to attain financial freedom. Complete your highest priority task. Write down small goals in a daily log. Every week, write down goals that will be bigger than your daily task but will give you a big picture, such as discover my net worth. Every quarter, determine what you will accomplish. With this method, you should be able to start with a few assets to well over $100,000 in real net worth within 3 to 5 years. Many people know what they need to do to become wealthy, but they choose to ignore or not take action due to bad habits that compound over time. It's straightforward. You just need to save, earn, aggressively invest the difference. Repeat until you hit your financial freedom number. All it takes is consistency, effort, and time. You can set yourself up for life, and you can live it.